How to share your messenger link. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can share your messenger link. So let's dive in. First you have to open your browser on your phone and then you have to search for messenger login. Now simply click this messenger option over here and you can see if I open the official messenger.com link, it doesn't give me an option to login. So I'm going to click these three dots on the bottom right corner and then you have to scroll through and find this option that says request desktop site and click it. And once you do so, it's going to open this page for you. And on the desktop site, now you can see you can log in. Simply enter your email address, your password and click login. I'll be quickly back after entering the password and logging in. Now, once you log in, click allow all cookies. And then it's going to take you to your Messenger app. And now you simply have to just copy the link by clicking on the link address. Just click this address over here. And then you have to click on the address again. And then you have to click copy. Now you have your Messenger link. Now you can share it to your friends wherever you want. If you want to share it on the Messenger, open the Messenger app, open the chat and just click over here on the messages and then you have to click paste and then click send. And that's how you share your Messenger link. You can share it wherever you want on WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat. Just paste the link and that's how you share your Messenger link.